In this video, we're going to be talking all about DSLR audio tips for beginners. I'm going to be walking you through 3 different audio setups in this video, depending on different needs that you might have. Hey guys, I'm Amanda Horvath, and I'm all about helping business owners and entrepreneurs leverage the power of video without breaking the bank or taking up tons of their time. If you're looking to use video in your strategy this year, then be sure to subscribe and click that bell to be notified every time I release a new video. Audio is probably the most important part of recording videos. You could use an iPhone or any sort of camera, and if the audio is crappy, no one's gonna watch it. So in this video, I really wanna walk you through several different setups so that you can capture clean audio from the get-go. Audio setup number 1 is the Rode VideoMic Pro. This is a super popular microphone. Most vloggers have this microphone. It's $189, so it's at a great price point, and the audio that you can get out of this is really high quality if you are really close to the mic. Now, what's also great about it is as a beginner, there's not a learning curve with this microphone. Really, all you have to do is plug it in. So I want to show you guys this light panel because it's super cool, but I will be losing my light by showing you guys, so just bear with me for a second here. All right, here it is. Look how bright that sucker is, right? So with that, let me take y'all into the studio and let's look at this shoot. Now, let me switch from using my Lavalier mic to showing you what this sounds like at this distance so that you can hear what the quality is like. All right, so the mic is now plugged directly into my camera, so you can see what it sounds like from about 3 feet away. Now, if I move closer to the camera, you're gonna see that it starts to sound a lot better. So I'm just moving closer here. We have a really casual setup today, just hanging out in my living room on the ground. Hope you guys are enjoying this video and what this Rode VideoMic Pro sounds like. Audio setup number 2 is a handheld microphone. Right now, you are hearing me talking to the Sennheiser E835 microphone. This is a super versatile mic, and I personally love to use it for events. So if you're in a super crowded room, this thing does wonders at picking up just the person that's talking with a little bit of background noise.
One of the reasons why we come is the connections that we make. We've built some relationships here that have lasted for decades, literally.
In today's world, unfortunately, the word bank has become a bad 4-letter word. Private lenders, and we're here at the Pitbull Conference, fill that void.
It's also great if maybe you're doing an interview between 2 people and you don't want to have to splurge on buying 2 different expensive microphones. These come in a pack of 3 for $250, or you can get one for $99. The con of this microphone is that if you're doing it like this, where I'm just talking to a camera, then it can look a little funny to hold a handheld microphone. So it really depends on what you are shooting. Audio setup number 3 is lavalier microphones. I personally use this option the most. The pros of this option is that they're super high quality. They're very professional grade microphones. Now, they come like this. There is a transmitter and then there's a receiver, but you have to use a audio recording device to it. So right now I'm actually wearing this microphone, so you've been hearing it this whole video, and it's being transmitted to this box here and recorded into this sound recording device, which is a Zoom H4n. Now, in another video, I'll show you how I actually set this up. So if you'd like me to do that, then go ahead and drop a comment below. The con of this option is that you're going to have to sync your audio and video in post-production. So what that means is that it's not actually recording this high quality audio directly to my memory card that's in my camera because it's not plugged directly into the camera. Now, the way that I sync this is I just clap every single time that I hit record, and I find that wavelength in my video file as well as my audio file, and I just line those up. So it's really not that difficult, but it is an extra step. Now, this is your most expensive option. These microphones Just for one lavalier is $600, and you're going to have to pay for a Zoom H4n, which is about $200. So altogether, this is the most expensive setup, but it's also going to be the best setup. Now that you know how to capture great audio from the get-go, you're also going to want to take it one step further and be sure that you maximize the potential for that audio by checking out my other video on how to remove background noise from your audio. And if any questions remain after watching this video, then go ahead and drop a comment below and I'd love to answer them for you. Otherwise, click that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Now, if that's confusing, don't worry about it. I don't know, I'm totally winging it. All right, now let me think. The cons of this microphone is that it's super easy to use. Right out of the box, you can plug it directly in your camera and you're gonna capture.
Not a con, you said the cons.
Oh, right.
Pro, right?
A pro, okay, thank you. Let me just do it one more time. I'm gonna be more conversational, I think. Now I forgot where I left off with that though. I'm just gonna make it short and sweet. Last one. Okay, one more. I'm gonna do it one more time. EW-112P G3 Sennheiser lavalier microphone. That's legitimately what it is.